Good morning, Mommy Christine. Say good morning, Mommy Christine. I just woke up. I just ate. Now I'm resting before burping. Wait, I farted. There's a lot of gas going on. See, I am very handsome. Say good morning, Mommy Christine. Is that Noah? Hi, Noah. Mommy here. Is that you, Noah? Hmm? Hmm. Can you see yourself when I put it up? Yeah? Is that you? No smile? Why no smile?